What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Instagram for free with no money needed. Okay. Before I get into the content, welcome to my channel. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you go ahead and subscribe right now. You can click the red link, the red square that says YouTube subscribe. You can click that button, or you can come to my channel and subscribe that way. All right. And at any time throughout this video, if it's offering you value, go ahead and like this video and give me a comment below. Hello, hi, whatever you want to say. And I will thank you. I'll be very appreciative of that. Okay. But don't forget, subscribe. And those of you who are my subscribers and returning and watch this video, thanks for being loyal. I hope I'm giving you valuable content. If not, comment below. All right. So if you're on this video, that means you want to learn how to make money online or how to make passive income. That's another reason why you want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to coming out with consistent content teaching you just that. Okay. So as while all while I do the same thing for myself. All right. So this is going to be a quick video, so make sure you stay to the end. Instagram. The way we're going to make money, or the way you can make money on Instagram for free with no money, is to basically be an affiliate marketer, right? Affiliate marketer is someone who promotes a product to a specific audience, right? That product meets the need of that specific audience, and bam, they make a sale and they get a commission off of the sale that they made. All right. The good thing about affiliate marketing is that you do not make the product. You do not handle any customer service. You do not process any returns, nothing. All you do is put a product that someone else made in front of an audience that needs that product. And once that audience buys, you make a commission. Okay. And so what we're going to do using Instagram is we're going to connect a specific audience with a specific product using Instagram and ClickBank. All right. So ClickBank, I'm not going to go over that, because if you're looking at this video, that means you probably have some kind of knowledge of ClickBank. But if not, just high level, ClickBank is a marketplace where people who make particular products, it's really a lot of products on digital products on ClickBank. So make money online, fitness, green, woodworking, ideas and instructions, things that you can do online, right? A product that you need that you can use online to fix whatever problem you have. So what you want to do is you want to go to clickbank.com, sign up, make an account. It's legit, it's free, it's no scams or anything. So don't worry about that. But what you want to do is come on ClickBank. You want to click on Marketplace up here, and then on the left hand side you have a plethora or a bunch or several, whatever floats your boat, of categories that you can choose from. Now you want to try to choose a niche category or topic or whatever that you are kind of passionate or knowledgeable about, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be, but it'll be easier if you knew about the category and if you knew about the specific topic that you can share with a particular audience. Because if you know about it, you know what the audience likes to see. When I go on Instagram here, I'll show you, you know what the audience kind of responds to already, because you are in that audience. But if you want to get into another category, you can just learn about that category, do your research, look and see where the people who are in that particular category are staying, right? What social media platform they're on, what kind of images and videos they like to look at, what are they typing in their Google or search engines, right? But for this purpose, we're going to pick games. Let's say you're a big gamer, you're somebody who wants to get into games, or you have a lot of knowledge about games, but want to start making money, right, with it for free with no money. What you do is, once you get into Marketplace, you pick the category, you want to come in here and take a look at the products that are offered on ClickBank that you can promote, right? What I like to do is I come in here and I sort by gravity. So gravity says how many times has this offer or this product been purchased within a month, right? So the higher the gravity, the more converting the product has been for those who are promoting it, okay? That doesn't necessarily mean that the product is better than some other products. That just means the product is being promoted and people are buying it. One way this can be skewed is if there's a lot of people promoting this first product, but nobody promoting this second one, right? But the second one could be way better than the first one, just not a lot of people are promoting it. So what you want to do is look at the, go to the affiliate page and go to the sales page. This would be the sales page. This top link here will be the sales page. So that whatever traffic you send, they will see this page, okay? So what you want to do is you want to vet through this page. You want to vet the product, make sure it's legit, make sure that it's something that your audience can use and not a waste of their money and their time. And then what you'll do is you'll click promote, and then you'll click generate hop links, right? And then this will be the link you will send to your audience, okay? You can go to sources like bit.ly.com or Google Link Shortener to make this link look better than what it is here, because if I was you or my audience, I wouldn't click this link, okay? You can also use various custom link like ClickMagick, etc. to make this link even more customizable. But Bitly or Google Link Shortener will work out just fine. But what you do, you have your link, right? So we have the product, we have the link, and guess what? We haven't spent a dime yet. Now, the most important part is where we're going to find the audience and how are we going to promote this product for free with no money? Well, Instagram. That's what this video is all about. How to make money on Instagram with no money, or for free with no money, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to come to Instagram.com. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's free. Go to Instagram.com, open you an account up, and you'll be a social media guru. Psych. But what you want to do is you have your product, and it's in the gaming category. So once you come over here into Instagram, you're going to search here. If you're on your phone, it'd be on the Explore tab or button, whatever it is. And what you're going to do is you're going to search games, or let's search gaming. Okay, so there's 28,161,630 posts that has the hashtag gaming in it. Okay, so we're going to click that. Let's say we pick this first product here. It's a video game tester job. You get paid to play games. So anyone who's already playing games and is a game head and they see this, hey, get paid to play games. They're already playing games. Why not get money to do it, right? They have to pay for it. So maybe you just want to make sure that they are in that. But what you want to do is come to Instagram and then just take a look. Let me move myself here. Just take a look at some of the images, some of the content that people are posting and putting the hashtag gaming in there. Okay. I don't know much about gaming, so I see there's a lot of women, which is a tactic that some people use because beautiful women draw attention, and especially to men. A lot of men are gamers. I'm not saying that women can't be or aren't gamers, but a lot of men are gamers, and so they see this hot person or girl here, and they say, "Ooh, let me click on this. She must be a hot gamer," and they're going to see what it's all about. Okay. But what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and browse and see what kind of content is being put out in the gaming audience or whatever niche you're in, category you're in, and then try to replicate what they are doing. You see this image here has 525 likes and then 9 comments. This one has 188. You want to try to find one that has a lot of comments, a lot of engagement to it. Let's see what this one. This one's good. 1,109 likes and 55 comments. So you can start posting images like this one with someone's holding I don't know what game this is, but it's like a PlayStation holding a remote control on it. Must be a game that people like to play. And it's getting a lot of engagement, right? And this looks like Grand Theft Auto here. No engagement, so people aren't really liking that. But you can come out here and post. Just take a look at what's going on in your particular category niche on Instagram and start posting as much content as possible around gaming. Create a gaming Instagram, post a lot of content on gaming. And then what you're going to do is, I'm going to show you my Instagram. What you're going to do is when you create your Instagram account, in your bio, you'll put something high level Nothing too much so they get confused. But what you'll do is you'll post that link that we got from ClickBank. Oh, the link here that we got from ClickBank. Of course, you use Bitly or a Google link shortener, and you will post that link in your bio. See, in my bio, I have my YouTube channel because that's where I'm focusing on. I'm focusing on creating content on YouTube. So I want people who are on my Instagram or on my Facebook or on all my social media platforms to come back to my YouTube channel, right? So that's what I have here. But what you'll do is you'll post that link in your bio, and then in the link of your post, like in the description, like here's one of my videos. What you'll do is you'll post that content, image, video, whatever it would be, and in the bio you would, where's my, here we go. You would post, this is a bad example, I don't know, it's easier on the phone. There it is. So you'll post some kind of it's called copy, your ad copy or your copy. You'll post a little snippet about that post, that video, right? And then you will reference the link in your bio. So for example, our example is in gaming. What we would do is we'll post this hot content about gaming or around the gaming space and niche. What we'll do is we'll say, hey, check out the new Grand Theft Auto such and such, isn't it cool? You know, check out my link in the bio. Want to make money playing video games? Check out the link in the bio, right? And someone will see that post and say, oh yeah, I play games all the time, why not make money? And they'll come to the sales page that ClickBank offer that you're promoting. They'll come to the sales page, they'll check it out, and a lot of people won't do it. A lot of people will not buy, but you have to know your numbers. Maybe out of every 100 people, maybe 3 people buy, right? So it's like a 3% conversion rate, which is on average the industry's average or the normal rate for someone to convert into a sale. So you have to continue promoting, putting out content out there. The more content you do, the more content you produce, the more chances you have to make a sale. So they'll come on here and look at the reviews, look at what this product is all about, how they can really make money playing video games. They'll purchase and bam, you made a sale. So this $52.01, that's the average per sale, you will make that money and that's going right into your bank account. Okay. So guys, I just, showed you a high level review on how you can make money on Instagram with no money, for free, no money needed at all. Okay. What I ask you to do is go ahead, don't forget, subscribe to my channel. And this video gave you some type of value. Don't forget to like it and comment below if you're using Instagram to produce a residual, passive, consistent income stream. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I will see you guys later. Peace.